determine the exact value for sine 7 pi by 12. Pi by 12s are not angles on our special angles from our triangles. So what we're going to do is we're going to find two angles that are our special angles, pi by 3, pi by 4, pi by 6, or even pi by 2 we could use, and see if we can find a combination that add or subtract to 7 pi by 12. So we need to list those angles out to work with them. Now, I tend to list them on the circle. It just helps me visualize the size of them, what quadrant they're on. You can list them anyway. But I like to put them here when I'm comparing them. And I do one quadrant at a time. I work into quadrant 2 if I need to. So to compare the fractions, because we're going to add or subtract, we want to have a common denominator. So I'm going to put them all with a denominator of 12. So pi by 6 is 2 pi by 12, pi by 4 is 3 pi by 12, pi by 3 is 4 pi by 12, and pi by 2 is 6 pi by 12. Now I'll look to see if I can add or subtract to 7 pi. If I take a look here at these two, 4 pi by 12 plus 3 pi by 12 will give me 7 pi by 12. So I can use these two angles. So that's pi by 3 and pi by 4. So since I'm adding, I'm going to use the sum formula. And in the question I'm dealing with sine, so I'm using the sine alpha plus beta formula. So we'll write down the formula. So we have sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. And we'll use these two angles, sine pi by 3 plus pi by 4. It doesn't matter which one I put first when I'm adding. I'm going to use pi by 3 as alpha and pi by 4 as beta. So every time I'm seeing that alpha symbol, I'm putting in pi by 3. Every time I'm seeing that beta symbol, I'm putting in pi by 4. Now we're going to use our special triangles to find each of these exact values. So the sine of pi by 3, I'll draw that triangle in case we need it. Pi by 3 down here is 60 degrees. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so root 3 over 2. And all of these are in quadrant 1, these angles, so the signs are all positive. Pi by 4 is our root 2 over 2 value. Cos of pi by 3 we can check up here again, adjacent of hypotenuse, so we get 1/2. And sine of pi by 4 is root 2 over 2. Now we need to simplify our fractions. We'll multiply first. Root 3 times root 2 will give me root 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 times root 2 is root 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And now I need to add those. I need a common denominator when I'm adding my fractions, so I already have a common denominator of 4. Root 6 plus root 2 are not like terms, so they just combine as follows as root 6 plus root 2 over 4 as our final answer.